So I'm gonna teach you how to make these views when this will be with horizontal portrait automatically in landscape. So as you can see, it is robust. Okay. Oh, there you go. Well, we don't need that. And I have created project already, and I screw up. So this is just the the preview that it's gonna show you that we actually don't need this feature. I'm gonna show you. Okay, well, I have just a video. You know, I mean, I just created this project, so it doesn't matter. Look, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Really nice. So we need to be controller. Enter to do that. Now, because I always forget, I'm going to click this as an initial point control always. See, this is the arrow. Perfect. This is the attributes inspector. See? And because we don't need that, I'm going to close out on that. Now we just need this plus sign over here with an image. They, of course, have a badass slowly computer. That's how I rock. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter if it is a image view, but just got because constraint. It's a view, actually, what I need. Okay. There you go. Put it here. Okay. On these constraints, I want it. Okay, that's good. Now I want that color, so it's purple. Perfect. Now I'm gonna teach you, instead of copy paste, there's a fastest way. It's called hold Option key and drag. See? Perfect. Now again. Well, actually, I want to make it closer. Like that. Now, again, you hold Option and drag. And now it went again. But this time, I'm going to drop it over here. Okay. And I'm going to stretch this so you will see how AutoLayout resizes this automatically for us. But there is a bug right now, and I don't know if that's Xcode or whatever, but I'm going to teach you how to fix it. Okay, well, first step, position your view. Second step, give it a color. Wow, each step, difficult. Okay, third step, pin. We're going to pin this view to the top. Top and leading. That means up and left. That's it. As you know, this will be the leading and this will be the trailing. But you can say just up and left and up and right. Usually we just need one constraint. Two. One for X and one for Y. So it's a lot of two. Okay, well, just hit a click here to add new constraints. And we are gonna hit, as I tell you, top, one Y and X, Y and one on X. That's it. Two, top and left. Now guess for this, very easy. Okay, now you hit enter instead of clicking, because I like to save time. Now guess for this corner. Yeah. Just say it in your mind. Okay. Perfect. Now, for the middle, we'll need just the vertical, horizontal, and vertical over here. Why? Because those views are going to be stretched to their corners, which are positioned good. Okay, and this doesn't have anything. Well, you will see it. So, okay. Now, we need to add something called spacing. That's the space between those guys. But just let me do this a little bit nice. Just a little bit. That's a bit too much because it got stolen. Okay, that's it. Well, it's just to differentiate it. Okay. Now guess what? Okay, we need the horizontal spacing. Control click and drag. Horizontal. And I want to make this video fast. I mean, so you can save time. Well, now it is vertical, okay? So this will have that spacing, that spacing. Easy. Now, equal height and width. And same corner, because that's the parent, width and height. Now, something happened over here. The fuck? I'm sorry, they didn't do that. Okay. And now, equal height, width. And now this is going to be the parent over there, so this is a child and we'll have a leaf. And this guy as well. Now, we need this to have same width, same height. To have a leaf, width, and height. To have a leaf, it doesn't matter. But basically, we have, let me check. Oh, no issues. See, pretty good. Pretty darn good. But let me show you something. It's a tip bonus for you guys. I'm gonna activate the preview. This is the preview. Okay. It doesn't. It is. I mean, for me, well, for this project, it doesn't matter. Basically, we need to fix this constraint. This is automatically created by AutoLayout, and it have a bug because it should have a multiplier by 1 and it have that value. Okay, we hit enter. We need to fix this constraint. Hit enter, and the same over here. See, look, it doesn't matter. I mean, this is a mirror of this other, so it doesn't matter to have this or not. You can put it on landscape. It doesn't matter. You can do this over here. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna remove that. Okay. Now, well, we can get this down with the arrow key. Just a little bit so we can have space. Whatever. And now, as you have done, you can click the triangle and update the constraints for the selected views. See? Pretty easy. And now you can run it. You can remove this full screen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because I have a badass computer. Wanna see my computer? Wow. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I have my phone. Okay, just the simulator. I want that, but with my computer. Super fast. 2004, dual core. I have 4 threads. So 2 cores, 2 threads each, and only 8 of RAM. DDR3, yeah, really old. And it is broken, so yeah, it will be nice to have a like button so I can get a new computer. Okay. The next video I'm gonna have this loaded. And as I told you before, this is one way to do it, using the storyboard. The other way is doing it with Swift UI, and the other is using UIKit. I mean, we use UIKit too, but this is using UIKit with the storyboard. If you would like to have that video, just comment over there. I'll check the comments at night, see the hour, okay? And in the morning, I like to be more productive doing my own things. Well, this will work, right? That's expected. I can try here anything like the iPhone 4 on landscape, and it will be good. I mean, can have better space in order to. And yeah, I need a fast computer. Not right now. And just update those constraints. Right. And we can have the best of the iPhone now. Be good. Can have an iPad. Can I remain with the same height and width? Portrait or landscape. Everything it's the same. Okay, now where's my image simulator? There you go. Okay, look. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, see you in the next one.